Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate Bank ID on a new phone. Let's get it started. Bank ID is a digital ID used to log into banks, apps, and government service. If you change your phone or bought a new phone, you must activate Bank ID again. Now take your new phone and open the App Store on your phone. Search for Bank ID and download the official app. Once installed, open the Bank ID app. Now tap on Settings at the bottom right of your screen. After that, tap on New Bank ID. You can scan the code or tap on I have an activation code. From here, you can enter your ID number and activation code. The bank will ask you to confirm your identity. This may be done using old bank ID, security code, or debit card details. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. Now the Bank ID app will open. You will be asked to create a 6-digit security code. This code is very important. You will use it every time you log in or approve something. Confirm the code and that's it. Your bank ID is now activated on your new iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.